Hi friends, so in this video I I will show you what exactly this project is doing. So first of all let me show you the demo. यहाँ पे I am selecting this Excel file. Okay, this Excel file extension you can add XLSX, XLS and whatever. Click on OK. Okay, and select the folder. So now in this folder I have this so many multiple files. So let me just open, and now I will select this raw data folder, which is this one where containing all this multiple Excel files. So what this Excel will do, Excel automations, this will collect all this Excel file data in one single sheet with a file name and sheet name. Okay, so it is running one by one. So what exactly this doing? This is collecting all the data in one new Excel file. So let me just uh, give you brief about this source file. So if you see this source file, file name is FGS, right? And this containing this data. So what exactly this VBA macro is doing? It's consolidating all the data into one single one. Okay, FGS, this one. Okay, so this way it is consolidating all this Excel file in one single final file. So if in your folder if there are thousands or 100 200 whatever file count is, okay, this will consolidate all your data in one final Excel file. So if you want to get this automation, then you just click on below the YouTube descriptions, and you can purchase this from my website. Okay, thanks for watching this video.